Okay. So in this project, there are three classifications, soil classification. One is excavated, backfill,
Yes. And
then
another one is
weathered soil, and the other one is limestone.
limestone.
All right.
Weathered,
In-
limestone and excavated.
In backfilled soil,
Yes, it is 2:1.
1:2.
Yes,
1 meter vertical and 2 meters horizontal. Then that should be the slope.
sloping required.
But for the weathered soil, 3:1.
Yes,
3 vertical,
And
1 meter horizontal, and that will be the
sloping
Slope.
required. Yeah.
But for the limestone, 6:1,
5:1.
5:1, 5:1.
It is the
So-
requirement for sloping. Yeah.
When you have, in this project, if you have an excavation, assuming you have an excavation of direct vertical, without any slope, by looking at it, this violates immediately. Huh?
Yes.
This violates the geotechnical recommendation. Because assuming if it is backfill, it should be 1:2. 1 meter, and this one should be 2 meters, according to the geotechnical report. So 1 meter vertical, 2 meters horizontal, and this should be the slope. This should have been removed. Now, if you don't communicate
To
this,
avoid the collapse.
if you don't communicate this to your engineer, assuming you fail to communicate, when I visit the project, you have this one. All right, I will place my NCR, BPD,
Sure.
BPD,
PD.
issued one NCR for non-compliance of the geotechnical recommendation. When you claim for payment, it will be rejected for the excavation. Why?
He's called Mansur. Let him, I think.
Who is
very
this?
important.
Yeah, site engineer.
He's the one. Mansur.
So, when you
Tell
claim,
him to come.
when you claim for the excavation, it will be deferred because of the violation. Assuming. So we have here 2:1. Now the other one is 3 meters. 3 meters. What is the classification of this? Withered.
Weathered similar.
3:1.
This one is
3:1.
Yeah, but this is backfield one.
backfill soil.
Backfield
Backfill?
soil. Yeah.
What is the classification of backfill soil?
2:1.
This one is 3 meters
1:2.
by
Backfield is 1:2.
1.
Yeah, 1:3
Ah.
this one.
This one is withered.
Weathered,
Huh?
3:1. 3 vertical.
Withered soil. 3 meters vertical, 1 meter horizontal, and this should be your angle of repose. This should have been removed. Now, if I find your withered soil without this, I can also place another NCR. BPD NCR. So when you claim for that month, it will be deferred. You will not receive any payment. So they will pressure me. No problem. I can discuss. So many times I have been questioned by placing an NCR. I can manage this. So I don't have problem. Now another one, if it is 5 meters,
Per time.
5 meters for limestone,
Yeah, 1:5.
5 meters, and you have 1 meter here. This is supposed to be the slope. Now, if you cannot remove this, this is giving us problem for collapse, resulting to hospitalization or fatality. This is our concern. This is my concern. If I can find this not removed, that means you did not comply the geotechnical report, I can place my NCR. Question. Is there any NCR that the contractor are not afraid of? I will tell you. We have one.
Okay.
You cannot find this in NIBOS. No NIBOS will tell you this.
Okay.
Structure, Alsad Health Center. Alright? Alsad Health Center. In this health center, there is already an excavation here. Already an excavation. Without slope. Zero slope. Alright?
Okay.
So the structure is already ongoing. When we issue the NCR, the main contractor is no longer interested. Why? Because if you are going to remove, it will be more material to be removed per cubic meter. They are paying to the trucking company. So they will not remove anymore. Because the requirement is 6:2. 6 meters vertical, horizontal, and 2 meters vertical. And it is very difficult. So I told him, there is one option. There is one option. Go back to the geotechnical report, geotechnical laboratory, and ask them the best solution. So the best solution is that the first 2 meter shall only be sloped. The first 2 meters only shall be sloped. Then in that case, when they remove this, we close the cited NCR because we comply the requirements. Then the NCR was lifted, they received the payment. Their payment is not for the excavation because they received long time back, around 6 months ago. But we released the payment because this was charged in another item, the penalty for this. So only the QS charged it for another item. So when they claim for, let's say, when they claim for black works, they defer the black works because of this. So it's all up for because they cannot hold the payment anymore. This payment for excavation 6 months ago, it was released. Because of the failure of the consultant to issue NCR at that particular time. So how to avoid NCR? You have to talk, you have to agree, consultant and contractor, because you are here in the same area. Do not wait for NCR. You have to talk.
Yes, you are right.
That whenever there is non-conformity, you have to take action, talk to your PM before the NCR will be issued. Because the moment there will be NCR, payment is the problem. It will be different.
Good afternoon, manager.
Yes, Mr. Manzolo.
Yes, how are you, sir? I need manager. I would like to sit here.
So that is the requirement. Yeah.
Some
Engineer
discussions.
Mansour is
Someone engineer.
Ah, sir.
That's the thing.
This is what I told them.
Okay.
Because there are 3 classifications in the geotechnical report. Backfilled soil, withered soil, and limestone. Now in backfilled soil, 1 meter vertical, 2 meters horizontal. In withered soil, 2 meters, 3 meters,
3
3
by 1.
3 meters vertical,
1 meter.
1 meter horizontal. In limestone, 5 meters vertical, 1 meter horizontal. Now I told them, assuming they fail, to caution you, to inform you that we fail in this part, in this backfilled soil, in this withered soil. Now the moment we find it here, because this one will, to us, in health and safety, there is a high probability of collapse. And we have this fatality. 1 fatality and 1 50-50 at the time of the incident in Albina Hospital. The main contractor is Stanmore, the consultant is Dar Alandasan. So the project manager went to jail, the construction manager taken by police, the safety manager landed also in jail for 3 days.
And what about site engineer?
Huh?
Site engineer in safe site?
Oh no, he was also sent to jail.
My
And he
God.
was,
No, you said no project manager, construction manager.
yeah,
If site engineer
No,
in safe site, خلاص.
the construction manager was absent, the project manager, the CM was there and the site engineer was sent to jail. PM
خلاص.
is up.
I am in the risk.
Be careful. You're in high
PM went to PWE meeting. So when the police comes, only CM and site engineer and safety manager, all of them. But the company paid ban,
Yes.
give ban to the police. So he was released, but they are facing case. So now, if we find this, if the consultant will not issue, I will issue. I will issue NCR. Alright?
Yes, yes, I know.
Now, when I issue NCR, when you make a claim for payment, billing period,
Yes, it will be.
this will be different.
Yes.
So that is why I'm telling him, we do not want to have a deferred project because when the payment is deferred, the progress for next month will be get slow. Why? Because you don't have money to pay for the... So what I need to tell you is, to minimize the issuance of NCR, you have to talk all the time. You have to coordinate all the time. Whenever you find something that is needed to be rectified, discuss immediately. Once you understand each other, implement. So that we, if ever QSD will come, safety from building project will come, no NCR, all the payment will go smoothly.
Okay. Okay.
Very simple.
Noted.
Because we are all in the same team. I do not want also to have NCR here because my name is here.
Okay, noted.
Now, if there will be issues here that, Dennis, why is it that the claim of the contractor was not paid? Because there was an NCR made by the consultant. Why you are going to issue NCR that you are in the same place? Before you issue NCR, you should have took and rectify it immediately so that there will be no non-conformity. Correct?
Yes.
All right.
And the
So,
The good thing is that almost of our execution will be as a bulk execution. Okay, and like if I have one building, it will be bulk. I will execute like 1 meter for the whole area, and for foundation, I will execute only like 50 cm, only like trench for the foundation itself. Okay, يعني the cross section will be like this. يعني all the building, I will cut like all will be same this one. After that, I will execute 50 cm for the foundation. You see, you will see something like trench.
but this is my concern. The slope here.
This